Since I opened my workshop, it's been a complete mess. But with just 30 minutes per day for 6 days, I made it 10 times better. These are all the projects from my 1 week of organizing, ranked from least to most favorite. This clothes hanger helps a lot actually, and it looks pretty cool, but I think it's not that interesting. That's why it's in last place. I made a small hanger from my hammers and nail punches, and it's cool, but it also isn't amazing. This nail gun hanger that sits under the bench is really nice. It frees up so much bench space, and I really like this. The random junk holder was the thing I didn't know I needed. This gets so much use and really saves the workshop. Number 2 is this original shelf design to help organize cables from corded tools. This came out great and cleans up a lot. And number 1 is the sandpaper organizer. It's just too satisfying and saves a lot of time, but most importantly space. Do you agree with my ranking?